Hey YouTube family, Mike Jones here, back with another video on my channel where we talk about all things investing and personal finance with the genuine hope that we will be able to inspire someone to go ahead and get started with their financial freedom journey today. With that said, today we're going ahead and getting into a video about my M1 Finance accounts, and we're going to go ahead and start off with this mini brokerage that I have. As you can see, it has gained $27.30, which is about a 23% return. We've gained $23.25 from the market gains and $4.05 from the earned dividends. Now our net cash flow is $167 and $167.65, but we do have a cash balance of $24, and this comes from some referrals that we actually received for people signing up with us through the account. They actually have a promotion with M1 Finance right now where you can, if you open up an account and deposit, I want to say $500 into an IRA account, you'll receive a $30 referral from signing up from my link. So if you want to go ahead and do that, I'll make sure to drop that in the description below. But with that said, let's go ahead and delve deep into it. But if you haven't already, make sure that you go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe, as we are trying to reach 200 subs by my birthday, which is in a couple days. So that would be really awesome. Just to give a little bit of insight, we're only 5 subs away from doing so. So if you would join the journey, that would be really awesome. But with that said, let's go ahead and look at, let's see where this gets us, mini brokerage that we have with M1 Finance. As you can see, our real estate is up a little bit right now. It has a value of $30.28, which means that it's gained 59 cents, or a 2.5% return since we've started with this new pie. The healthcare sector is down 25 cents, which is a 1% loss. We have the financial sector, which is up $3.43 with about 16% return, which is absolutely phenomenal. Our utility sector is down 70 cents, which is a 4% loss. The consumer sector is up $1.41, which is an 8% increase. Industrial sector is down 36 cents for a 3% loss. Tech sector is up $2.47, which is a 20% or almost 21% gain. Where our telecom sector is down 11 cents, which is a 1% loss. Our energy sector is up $1.59 for a 21.5% raise. And then we have our bonds, which are down 2 cents for a 0.32% loss. Now, you may be wondering, why am I showing you this mini brokerage? The plan is to go ahead and expand on this mini brokerage that I have, because it's all set up and allocated the way I want for it to be very successful. So the plan is to at least put about $2,500 into this account this year, whether that's through referral or through me putting the money in myself is the plan. So then you can see the gains going forward, and this 23% that we have returned will be a much better increase. But that's the plan for the year. I don't know how much of that will be realistic with us going, hopefully going to nursing school, but we're going to try to make it work anyways. With that said, let's go ahead and get into what you guys are all here for, and that's my IRA account. And as you can see, we have our Roth IRA allocated in one thing, and that is the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, which we have $7,513.50, $7,513.50 in. And as you can see, we are currently up $1,531.57 for a 41.5% return, which is absolutely phenomenal. I looked this morning, it was up to $7,400. So the fact that we're up another $100 is absolutely phenomenal. It might have been only another $50, but still, the fact is the facts. But with the breakdown, you can see that our market gains are $1,429.35, and we've earned the dividends of $83.25 just by having this allocated into one thing. Now, going forward, I'm not sure if I want to go ahead and put another $3,000 in the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, or if I want to move into some stocks and get a little more volatility and a little more growth in there a little more rapidly, or if I'm just going to ride this one entity out. Now, what you need to know about ETFs is that they consist of multiple stocks. In this case, there's over 3,300 stocks in this one ETF. And I believe the share price, I don't know if I'll be able to see it from here. I won't. So I'll have to go to research to show you. I have to go to funds and then VTI right here. So as you can see, it's $205.94 a share to be invested into this, but you get that great diversity, and you're able to also collect a 1.35% dividend yield from this ETF, which means that you'll be making about $3 per share that you have. So I currently have multiple shares, and so I'm able to get those. That's where the dividends have come from. So when we go back to my accounts, you can see, let's see if we can find the breakdown here. Activity holdings. So when we go to holdings, you can see here we have 36 and a half shares of VTI, and we got it all at an average price of $166.24. So that's why we've seen the growth, bringing in almost $1,500 just from market gains, which is really phenomenal. So we're super happy with the progress of our portfolio so far, and we couldn't be happier. But with that said, the plan is to go ahead and put another $3,000 into this account by the end of the year. Maybe get it to $11,000. It just depends on if I decide to put the money into an individual stock, or if I decide to just write this thing out and see how much progress we can get from it. So that's pretty much the video today. I just wanted to go through both of these accounts and show you what's going on with them, show you full transparency. As you can see, the value over time, from December 3rd, which was at $2,900, to $7,500, not even 2 years later, not even a year and a half later. So really great progress, really happy with what we've had. Of course, we did go ahead and add $3,000 right here, but since then we've gained, $1,100. So can't be mad at that. With that said, make sure you're smashing that like button, hitting the subscribe. If you love my transparency, make sure you go ahead and tell your friends about us. Share these videos with people you think might be interested, could get some insight from it. And with that said, thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one, and God bless.